So far I have not updated anything about my garden, the balcony garden. So this is my lemon tree and it's doing good after relocation. And you can see we got some, it bloomed really completely. It is full of flowers. Now you can see there are a couple of lemon. I hope they will grow well. Nice to see the lemon tree. And then this plant, I have no idea what is this plant. It has grown from some seed which I have planted, but I don't know what it is actually. So I'm just waiting for it to grow well so that I can understand which one it is. And these are the peas which my daddy gave me the seeds. This is the white one, and you can see small insects. See, that was the main issue which I was having with my peas. But I first I tried the pepper spray, then the garlic spray, garlic and pepper spray together, and then neem spray. Nothing worked as I'm doing everything organic. But then at last I found my way. I'm so happy. You just need to, if you are having this problem on your pea, what you need to do is just wash them off nicely with water every day. So that's it. You don't have to do any medicine for this. See, you can see now what I do is I just wash them out when I am watering the plants. Right now I just removed with my hand, but that's not that's not viable because there will be lots. So what I used to do now is every day wash them with lots and lots of water, and they just go. See, they just come on the piece. I don't know why, but so far now this method is working very well. So I hope you enjoy this small short video. Thank you so much. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.